Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. And today let's look at cha-cha-cha routine number 5, which is open basic and then syncopated foot change to right side by side position. So we dance open basic, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and then we start foot change. So lady steps again, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now step forward and spiral type of turn and step to side facing center. Again, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, step forward, spiral and step to side. Now we do hold this position and then we do side chasse ending. Let's do it together. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, hold and 1. Man starts with right foot back, replace, lock step forward, forward, replace, and now we do slip close chasse and last step we do to side, back, slip and to side. Now we do whisk chasse, hold position and close to side. Let's look again. Man's steps. Man starts with right foot, back, replace, lock, step forward, check forward, replace, back, slip to side, turn lady, whisk, chasse, hold position and close to side. And now lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, check forward, replace, lock, step back, backward walk, replace, lock, step forward, forward walk and spiral turn, step to side, hold position and close to side. And now with teaching count, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, to music. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much. And I also encourage you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and also learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.